I'll show you the 3 ways to find your credit builder account: manual, automatic, and the new single account view, so you can keep your credit growing on autopilot with Chime Credit Builder. The Chime Credit Builder card is unique because it doesn't have a fixed credit limit. Instead, your limit is exactly how much money you move into your secured deposit account. If you're ready to know how to move the funds, click the like button. Let's get started. For instant funding using the manual method, open the Chime app and tap the Move icon at the bottom center of the home screen. Select Transfer Money. Tap From and select your Chime checking account. Tap To and select Credit Builder. Type in the exact dollar amount you want to be able to spend. Review and tap Confirm Transfer. The funds are available immediately. You'll see your available to spend balance on the Credit Builder card update in real time. In the latest version of the app, many users are seeing a new method called Single Account View. If you have this feature, Chime automatically treats your checking account and Credit Builder secured account as one pool of available money. When you spend with your Credit Builder card, Chime silently moves the exact amount needed from your checking to your secured account. This eliminates the need for manual transfers. If you have $500 in your available balance, you can spend $500 on your Credit Builder card without touching a single button. For the highest ROI on your time, you should automate your credit building with Move My Pay. Every time your direct deposit hits, Chime will automatically move that amount into your Credit Builder account. This ensures that your gas and grocery money is always sitting on your Credit Builder card, helping you rack up on-time payments every month. Once the money is moved, you must ensure it's used to pay your bill. The Safer Credit Building toggle is your best friend. To enable it, go to Settings, tap Credit Builder, and toggle Safer Credit Building to On. At the end of the month, Chime will automatically use the money you moved into the secured account to pay off your balance. This guarantees an on-time payment is reported to Experian, TransUnion, and Equifax, which is the #1 factor in raising your credit score. Before you move your entire balance, remember that money in the Credit Builder account cannot be used for ATM withdrawals using your debit card. You must use the Credit Builder card itself. If you have any queries or input, comment below and I'll respond. Click this card for a curation of our best video tutorials and check the description below for more. Thanks for watching.